students in your maths class. In our last lecture we have started our exercise 4.3, and in that exercise we have done three sums, first, second and third. I hope you understood all those sums. Now let us continue with the next parts. Now next sum is fourth part. Open your notebook. First of all, write exercise 4.3, page number 59. So fourth sum is 23,484 divided 57. Okay. Now what was the first step? First step to write the table, and as I told you, to make a rough margin in your notebook. Rough work. So in this margin we will write our table, that is for 57. 57 ones are 57, 57 twos are, 57 threes are, 57 fours are, 57 fives are. So first of all we'll write table till 5. Let's start. 114, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15 plus 2 17, 4 sevens are 28, 4 fives are 20, 20 plus 22 22, 228, 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25 plus 3 28. So we'll start now our division and we'll check we can find answer from up to this or not. 23,484 divided by 57. So our first two digits are 23, so these are smaller than 57. So we need number greater than 57. So 23 we will not take two digits, we will take three digits. 2, 3, 4, 234. So let's check. 171 is smaller than that. 228 is also smaller than that. 285 is greater than 234. So we will take this number 228. So it comes on place number 4. 57 fours are 228. We will subtract this. As I told you, so 4 is smaller than 8. We will not be able to subtract it. So we will carry 1 from 3. So it will be like this. Let's make more space here. Okay, we'll make here 14 and we'll take 1 from here. So now we will be able to subtract. 14 minus 8 is 6. So this will be 6. And 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring one number down. This will come here. 68. 68 is greater than 57. So 57 ones are 57. We can take this number. Subtracted. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. So the next number 4 will come down. 114. Check from your table. Is there a number? Yes, here 114 is here. It comes on place number 2. 114. Answer is 0. So no need to write the further table. We got our answer. Now we will write our components. First is quotient. quotient is 412, remainder is 0. Dividend is 23,484. Divisor is 57. Now let's start our verification. You know the formula for verification? Yes. Let's write the formula for verification. That was divisor multiply quotient plus remainder is equals to dividend. Divisor is 57. Quotient is 412 and remainder is 0. Dividend is 23,484. Our answer should come 23,484. So again in the rough work, we'll draw a line. In rough work, multiply 412 with 57. 412 with 57. 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 1. 7 plus 1 8. 7 4s are 28. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 5 4s are 20. 4 8 14. 2 plus 1 3 2. 23,484 plus 0 we will add, the answer will remain same, is equals to 23,484. So both the answers are same, both sides are equal. So we will write hence verified. Got it? So this is all about your sum number 4 with the verification. Note down in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Now next sum number 5. Sum number 5 is 70,434 divided by 78. Let's start writing table of 78. 78 ones are 78. 78 twos are 78 threes are 78 fours are 78 fives are 78 six are 78 sevens are 78 eights are 78 nines are. Okay, 78 twos are 2 eights are 16, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15. 3 eights are 24, 3 sevens are 21 plus 2 is 23, 4 eights are 32, 4 sevens are 28 plus 3 31, 5 eights are 40, 5 sevens are 35 plus 4 39, 6 eights are 48, 6 sevens are 42 plus 4 46, 7 eights are 56, 7 sevens are 49, 49 plus 5 54, 8 eights are 64, 8 sevens are 56, 56 plus 6 is 62, 9 eights are 72, 9 sevens are 63 plus 7 70. Okay, now let's start our division. 70,434 Okay. Now let's check 704. 704. 704 here. It is 702. So it can come here. 702 is smaller than 704. So it is in at 9th place. 78 nines are 702. Subtract 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 0. So bring this number down 23. It will become 23. So 23 is smaller than 78. So it is not possible to divide or subtract. We'll bring one more number down, that is 4. So it becomes now 234. Now it will be easily subtracted. We have brought two numbers down, so we'll put 0 here. Okay. So now check 234 equal to this number or smaller than this number. 234. Here 234. It comes at 3's place. 234 minus 0. No remainder. So answer is 0. Now write the components. Quotient is 903. Remainder is 0. Dividend is 70434. Divisor is 78. So we'll write all the components. Now we will start our verification. Let's start verification. So what is the rule for verification? Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder is equals to dividend. Divisor is 78, quotient is 903, remainder is 0 and dividend is 70434. So let's multiply first 78 with 903. 8 3s are 24. 2 will come here because here 0 is 0. 8 into 0 0. 0 plus 2 2. So no need to multiply whenever there is 0. So directly place whatever number is here. 8 9s are 72. 7 3s are 21. 2 here, again 2 will come here. 9 7s are 63. 4 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 2 4. 7 plus 3 10. 6 plus 1 7. So answer is 70434 plus 0. If we will add 0, the same number will come, so no need to add. Is equals to 70434. Both the sides are equal, so we can write hence verified. Hence verified. So your answer is verified, checked. So this was all about your exercise 4.3. Only 1 to 5 sums are in the syllabus. So you can write exercise 4.3 question number 1 to 5 in syllabus. Okay, so make a note of it. Other parts no need to do. Okay students, this was all about your exercise 4.3. So do it in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. We will meet in next lecture. Till now, revise it and make notes properly. Bye bye. Thank you.